So now let's take a look at how to utilize the cutter tool inside of Toon Boom Harmony. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw out a shape with a pencil. So I'm just going to increase the maximum size and then just draw this out. And once I draw out the shape, you can actually see that I actually drew more than the shape itself. So I want to delete the top part out. So in that case, one of the easy way to actually delete it is by using the cutter tool. So the cutter tool is located right over here under the selection tool right here. So if you were to click and hold it, you can see that you can access cutter. So once I click on it, you can get various options for this right over here. So now what you can do to cut out the shape is you can simply click and drag a marquee around it. And you can see that it actually selects that part, and now you can just move it around just like this. So now you can just move it around. And if you were to actually drag this across right over here, just by clicking on this option right here, you can see that it cuts out the rest of the line just like that. So what I want to do is I just want to drag across just like this. And you can see that that has been cut because you can see that this option is selected. And what this option does is that it actually uses my mouse gesture right over here. And wherever the curve is a bit open, it'll cut out that part. So let me just go over here and cut this out. If I were to do that, you can see that it actually cuts that out. So I just want to cut this portion out. So I'm just going to click and drag it. And you can see that it cuts that out right there. But I'm not going to select this, but let me see the options. If I were to turn this off and if I were to drag it around, you can see that I can actually cut out a separate portion. I can also go over here and select the marquee tool right here, click and drag it, and you can see that I can select that out right over here. So that's how I can utilize the cutter tool inside of Toon Boom Harmony. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.